From Divine Sister of the Light, Eirini, from Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athens, February 23rd, 2023. The Blue Azurite Diamond of Truth. Within it, carrying the sphere of antimatter, has arrived on Earth. The Blue Azurite of Truth was delivered to us by the beings of the anti-world, which is the opposite world to ours, and brought along many seeds of truth, which were spread at certain areas all across our realm. These beings are actually versions of our own selves, which carry the opposite charge to ours. Their world is like our twin opposite. This is the third diamond in a row that has returned since the winter solstice 22, and there is one more to come. There are 4 diamonds in total. Each diamond is connected to many souls on Earth and holds the essence of founder races, different eras of our true history and DNA lineage. Many people had missions of preparation connected to these diamonds. They carry memories of their presence and have already previously worked with their frequency and essence. I have received messages from people from around the world sharing how they have been working or connecting to these crystals, and I am very grateful for this. The return of each of these diamonds means that all previous energy work is completed, and that now the physical living presence of each diamond, meaning also the essence and power of those founder races, has been anchored. So the diamonds are landing upon the completion of all necessary grid and energy work of the previous years by many lightworkers and starseeds, and a new phase is beginning for us all. During our group session yesterday, it was shared that the Blue Azurite of Truth brings the code of restoration and the true memory in the DNA and all beings of this realm, and revelation of the history and nature of the earthly plane, but also what many beings went through. A lot of false programming, false memories, and false identities are to collapse, and true remembrance will take their place. This will fully change the human perception and connection to its consciousness. In one part of the process, we visited an area in Antarctica where we felt the essence of children's joy coming alive again, and the feeling was so refreshing. But in another big area between the north of Canada, the Arctic Ocean, and Greenland, we felt very heavy pain and sorrow from great crimes and atrocities that many beings endured there. And we were told that this area will now be healing, and many beings who have been in stasis there will now wake up again. Also many ancient lost temples, living proofs and artifacts, lost cities and cultures will start emerging now that the seeds of truth have been put back to Earth. Generally speaking, the return of all the diamonds holds the keys to the actual transformation of our physical reality. All 3 diamonds have positioned in underground areas relatively close to the Great Pyramid, but the exact position is not disclosed. This is because the Great Pyramid holds the key to us breaking free from the simulation. The 4th diamond is very different, and I will write more on it upon its return. Please welcome the seeds of truth, that the Blue Azurite Diamond of Truth is sown on Earth, and work with them accordingly. You will find them, and they will find you. So it is. Thank you. Eirini.